Have you ever felt an unexplainable heaviness in your body, a lingering sadness or tension you couldn't shake? What if the root of that discomfort isn't just physical, but energetic? For thousands of years, cultures around the world have tapped into the subtle yet powerful world of energy healing, a practice that sees the human body not just as flesh and bone, but as a dynamic system of energy fields. In this video, we'll journey through the rich tapestry of ancient wisdom and modern science to uncover how energy healing can restore not only physical health, but emotional balance too. From understanding chakras and auras to hands-on techniques like Reiki, acupuncture, and sound therapy, and even diving into quantum physics, you'll discover how to use energy to transform your life. Let's begin. What is energy healing? Energy healing is based on the fundamental idea that everything in the universe, including our bodies, is made of energy. When this energy is flowing freely, we feel vibrant, aligned, and well. But when blockages occur, due to stress, trauma, or negative thoughts, it can manifest as illness, pain, or emotional distress. Unlike conventional medicine, which often treats symptoms, energy healing works at the subtle, energetic level to identify and clear blockages. The goal is to bring the body, mind, and spirit back into balance, facilitating the body's natural ability to heal itself. Exploring the history of energy, healing, and its cultural roots, energy healing is not new. Its roots can be traced back thousands of years. In traditional Chinese medicine, practitioners speak of qi, the life force energy that flows through meridians. In India, it's known as prana, flowing through the chakras. Indigenous cultures across the globe have long practiced spiritual and energy-based healing rituals, connecting with earth energies and ancestral wisdom. From the shamans of the Amazon to the yogis of India, from ancient Egypt to the healing temples of Greece, energy healing has always been at the heart of true holistic wellness. Understanding the energy fields of the body, auras, chakras, and meridians. So, how is our body an energetic system? The aura is an electromagnetic field that surrounds your body, like a luminous bubble. It reflects your physical, emotional, and spiritual state. Chakras are spinning energy centers along the spine, each associated with different aspects of life: grounding, creativity, willpower, love, expression, intuition, and spiritual connection. Meridians are energy pathways running through the body, similar to the circulatory or nervous systems used in practices like acupuncture. When our aura is vibrant, chakras balanced, and meridians clear, we experience wholeness. But energetic disturbances in any of these areas can create imbalances that eventually manifest physically or emotionally. Neuroplasticity and the power of thought science is beginning to catch up with what ancient healers have always known. The mind has a profound impact on the body. Neuroplasticity shows that our brains are not static. They can rewire, adapt, and heal based on our thoughts and experiences. Repeated negative thoughts, fear, guilt, shame, can literally carve destructive patterns into our neural pathways, leading to chronic stress and illness. Energy healing techniques like meditation, breathwork, and visualization can help break those patterns, fostering calm, rewiring thought loops, and releasing stuck emotional energy. Quantum physics and the interconnectedness of all things. Quantum physics has revealed something extraordinary. At the subatomic level, everything is connected. Particles once linked can remain connected across time and space, a phenomenon known as quantum entanglement. This supports the energetic view of the universe, that we're not isolated beings, but deeply interconnected. Energy healing operates in this quantum realm, working beyond time and space to shift patterns and influence wellness. Scientific studies supporting energy healing practices. Skeptical? You're not alone. Fortunately, an increasing number of scientific studies are validating energy healing. Reiki has been shown in clinical trials to reduce pain, anxiety, and depression. Acupuncture is widely recognized for relieving chronic pain, migraines, and digestive issues. Sound therapy has been found to slow brainwaves, reduce cortisol, and induce meditative states. While science may not yet fully explain how energy healing works, results speak louder than theories, and thousands report transformational outcomes. Reiki, a gentle hands-on technique for promoting balance and relaxation. Reiki is a Japanese healing art that channels universal life energy through the hands of the practitioner to the client. The practitioner doesn't use force, but becomes a conduit, placing hands gently over or near the body to activate the body's natural healing processes. Reiki can be used for stress relief, emotional healing, physical pain, and even to support recovery from surgery or trauma. It's non-invasive and deeply calming. Acupuncture, using fine needles to stimulate specific energy points. Acupuncture is part of traditional Chinese medicine and works by stimulating specific points along the body's meridians to balance the flow of qi. Tiny, painless needles are inserted into the skin to activate energetic pathways, relieving pain, improving circulation, and supporting organ function. It's used for everything from chronic back pain to anxiety and insomnia, and is increasingly embraced in Western medical settings. Sound healing, using vibrations and tones to harmonize energy fields. Everything vibrates, including your cells. Sound healing uses specific tones, frequencies, and instruments like tuning forks, crystal bowls, and gongs to align and balance the body's energy. These vibrations can dislodge stagnant energy, soothe the nervous system, and even shift brain waves into healing states like theta or delta. Try lying down with headphones and listening to a sound bath. You'll feel the shift. Simple daily practices: meditation, mindfulness, and grounding exercises. You don't need to visit a healer to benefit from energy work. You can begin right now. Meditation stills the mind and clears mental clutter, allowing energy to flow. Mindfulness brings your awareness to the present, the only place healing can occur. Grounding reconnects you to Earth's natural energy. Walk barefoot in nature. Breathe deeply. Visualize roots growing from your feet into the soil. These small, consistent practices reset your energetic system and build resilience. Energy clearing techniques, removing negative energies from your aura. Your aura can accumulate energy from people, environments, even your own thoughts. Here's how to clear it: smudging with sage, Palo Santo, or incense salt baths to detoxify and reset visualization. Imagine a waterfall of white light washing over you. Affirmations: I release all that no longer serves me. Clearing your field regularly keeps you energetically fresh and emotionally strong. Creating a sacred space, setting up your environment for optimal energy flow. Your outer environment mirrors your inner world. Create a sacred space, even a small corner, where you can reflect, meditate, and restore. Include elements like crystals for energy amplification, plants for life force, candles for focus, calming music for vibrational harmony. Your space becomes a sanctuary, a place where healing begins. Choosing the right energy. Healer for you. Important considerations. Not all energy healers are the same. Trust your intuition when choosing one. Look for training and experience, a calm, grounded presence, positive testimonials, alignment with your spiritual beliefs. A good healer doesn't fix you, they empower you to heal yourself. Combining energy, healing with conventional medicine. Energy healing isn't about replacing conventional medicine, it's about complementing it. Many people find that combining the two creates the best results. Energy healing supports emotional resilience, reduces side effects, and speeds recovery. Always consult your doctor for medical issues and view energy healing as a powerful ally in your wellness journey. Sharing energy healing with others. Spreading awareness and wellness. Once you experience the power of energy healing, it's natural to want to share it. Introduce loved ones to simple techniques like breathwork or grounding. Gift a Reiki session or sound bath. Talk openly about your experiences to reduce stigma. The more we normalize energy healing, the more people will embrace this gentle, empowering path to well-being. Your body is wise. Your energy is powerful. Healing is not something outside of you. It's within you, always waiting to be awakened. If this video inspired you, support the channel by clicking like, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell so you don't miss future content. And we'd love to hear from you. Comment below. I am ready to align my energy and heal from within. Thank you for walking this healing path with us. Until next time, stay balanced, stay grounded, and stay connected.